The different types of plastic in the Great Pacific Garbage Patch are causing major issues for aquatic wildlife. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is an area in the Pacific Ocean where tons of plastic rubbish are being directed. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is located in the northern Pacific Ocean and contains over 269,000 tons of plastic, covering an area twice the size of Texas. The garbage patch is split into two sections, the Western Garbage Patch and the Eastern Garbage Patch. Did you know that the ocean holds 1 kilogram of plastic for every 3 kilograms of fish? The most simple plastics are comprised of carbon and hydrogen, with more complex plastics consisting of chloride, oxygen, and fluorine. Plastic has become extremely popular due to its low cost, durability, and malleability. All forms of plastic can be found in the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. Some items include bottles, plastic bags, lighters, containers, toys, shoes, fishing line, and clothing. 1 million plastic bags and 29 million plastic bottles are used every minute. That's over 500 billion plastic bags being used every year. Large items include televisions, computer monitors, tires, and fishing nets. 123 tons of plastic fishing nets were removed from the ocean within a period of only 4 months. Over time, plastic breaks down through a process called photodegradation. During this process, the larger pieces of plastic, known as macroplastics, are broken down by the sun to eventually form microplastics, which are smaller pieces of plastic. Microplastics can be ingested by sea animals. However, this is only the beginning of this problem. Once digested by one, they move up the food chain, affecting more and more species. Macroplastics can also be ingested by animals. Seals often eat plastic bags as they are easily mistaken for jellyfish. Fishing nets are also a large problem in our oceans. They cause entanglement and are capable of destroying coral reefs. Seals and other mammals often drown in fishing nets, a phenomenon known as ghost fishing. Coral reef systems are impacted by the nets as they snag, break the coral off, and then keep rolling around, destroying more and more coral. Coral reefs, along with their inhabitants, are a support system for all sea life. A decline in coral reefs will mean a decline in the population of all other sea life. Consequently, our plastic addiction is causing severe problems in our oceans. When will the impacts reach humans at the top of the food chain? The problem will be ongoing if plastic production continues at such a high rate. In order to reduce plastic production, which will reduce harm to the environment and even humans, consumers and retailers must reduce their plastic consumption. Using natural products that break down over time, unlike plastic, will create a better future for the environment and humans.